Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2012 Dodge Durango. Stock number is A5618B. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps, chrome grille, a look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels wrapped with Goodyear Wrangler tires. Inside, cloth interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. Second row and third row bench seating. Plenty of room for the whole family. One more look down the passenger side, then we're going to swing around to the back end. You have rear backup sensors and a camera. And this Durango is all-wheel drive, so on those wintry Wisconsin days, you don't have to worry about sliding all over the road. There's a 50-50 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo. Dual climate control, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure, whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Durango on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.